Thank you for taking the time to listen to a well-kept secret that only few dare to share. You may have just stumbled on the opportunity of a lifetime. In recent past months, the economy has suffered a series of fluctuations that have not been beneficial to our economic survival. During these days of uncertainty, the question that arises the most among Americans is what to do to generate money and to survive in this period of monetary scarcity. Simon Chase and Associates realizes the economy will take some time to turn around and begin to recover from this recession. Many of us share the fear of re-entering or continuing to invest in the stock market. Our banking institutions have taken a cautious position due to a mass amount of damage they have withstood over the past month, which causes you and I to lose leverage in the housing market. Where we could once turn to the equity that we considered our little nest egg has become a faint memory, since so many of us are now upside down in our mortgages, and the banks are uncertain as how to release the money and also keep themselves protected. Hence, the old cliche, survival of the fittest. It is our time as Americans to really show our strength and know that we can still be in control of our financial destiny. The stock market is no longer a stable environment for investments. With the banking industry failing, the housing market declining, and the unemployment rate on the rise, innovation is a must. By reinventing and bringing opportunity to the forefront, Simon Chase and Associates is on the cutting edge for alternative low-risk investment vehicles. So stop. Don't panic. This is a time to reinvest and create financial stability for your future. America is a resourceful nation that typically uses its resources to attain victory in its darkest hour. Small business success is crucial to our managing, maintaining, and making victories happen. Simon Chase and Associates again says, this is not the time to panic. The strength of small business is to recognize opportunity even when every other market is being challenged. We can help. There is a way to take the sting out. Where the debt has always been seen as the ugly duckling of our society, it has been one of the strongest markets, surviving all ups and downs. We can teach you that there is value in the debt industry, and someone will always be at the receiving end of the profit margin. Let that someone be you. Investors in the debt industry are very comfortable knowing that they are becoming very wealthy in record time. In today's society, it's important to target investments with lower risk and higher returns. Unlike the stock market and the real estate industry, who are identifiably unstable and volatile, debt purchasing is very rewarding and has not been introduced to the private sector as a vehicle for investment. This type of investment allows investors to pay pennies on the dollar and to multiply their rate of return remarkably. Investors that understand that money is being made in the debt industry are not worried about being in a recession. Why? Because they continue to purchase debt for pennies on a dollar and receive very high returns. As a debt buyer, Simon Chase can act as an agent for you on debt purchases. And because we are also the collections agency, we can collect on the debt, making a handsome return for your investment. Interested yet? Let's talk about how this works. We negotiate with debt brokers the best possible price to purchase a portfolio to maximize your return. A fair example would be you invest $5,000. We would negotiate and purchase a portfolio for you containing debt totaling $250,000. Then right away, put our collection specialist to work. Within 30 days, we remit to you your first check, based on the gross dollars collected for the month, along with a report of all monies collected. This will be done each month until we have exhausted your portfolio. You have just created a fresh line of residual income and an opportunity to reinvest. Debt is on the rise, in the midst of a society where other industries are on the decline. Simon Chase & Associates wants to reveal the opportunity. It's time to embrace the reality of the debt industry as a benefit to your life instead of a burden. We guarantee peace of mind investments, where we do all the work and eliminating all the stress. This market is wide open for investors. This is the right time. Investing in the debt industry offers great rewards, waiting for you in the form of residual income. When every other industry is fighting to regain its position, the debt industry is a reality that Simon Chase & Associates has the experience and knowledge to keep the wheels turning for true investors who can envision the possibilities. Simon Chase & Associates has a collective experience life of more than 30 years. That will allow us to make the best negotiations on your behalf while making the most of your money. Simon Chase & Associates wants to get your life back on track by giving you access to a fresh investment opportunity. History has proven that when one door closes, another one opens. By investing with Simon Chase & Associates, everything you once dreamed about can come true. From buying that new house, to having the money for college, to retiring and enjoying a life of leisure. Imagine being the owner of not one or two portfolios, but envision as many as you want, while receiving as many checks as you want, because each portfolio represents another investment opportunity. Contact Simon Chase & Associates at 678-291-9905, or if you're outside the Atlanta area, contact us at 888-424-2730. We look forward to partnering with you.